everyone. My name is Dr. Dan Pio, and I'm the new proud principal of Avon Middle School South. Prior to being an administrator, I actually started my teaching career as a band director. I was a band director in a small county, Warren County, where I taught at Seeger Junior Senior High School for 4 years. And then I went over to Lafayette and was the band director at McCutcheon for 7 years. After that, I became an assistant principal at Wea Ridge Middle School, which is the largest of 3 middle schools that feeds into McCutcheon, before coming here to Avon 2 years ago. My last 2 years have given me the opportunity to get to know Avon, the community, but also Avon High School in particular, as I served there as one of the assistant principals. And through the process this spring, I was chosen to be the new principal here at Middle School South, and it's been really great getting to know the staff. Super excited to be here, getting started as the new principal and starting with a brand new administrative team. I want to introduce a couple folks. Ms. Orletta Holmes is going to be one of our assistant principals. She's just coming over from Intermediate East. We've got Mrs. Gretchen Matthews, who's coming to us. She was a social studies teacher over at North. She's going to be one of our new assistant principals. And Mr. Scott Adams is going to be our new athletic director and dean of students. He was a PE teacher at Middle School North. We've got a brand new team, and we're excited to be serving the students and staff here at Middle School South. If you've driven by Middle School South or Middle School North, or if you've been out to the new construction at Middle School West, you know there's a lot of exciting things going on here in the district for our middle school students in the upcoming months. All 3 of these schools have some big projects that are going on right now. Like Mr. Chapin at Middle School West and Mr. McKinney at Middle School North, I'll be bringing you some exciting updates on the renovation and expansion projects going on here at Middle School South over the next several months as we make room for more students. There'll be more to say about what's happening both outside and inside here at Middle School South in the upcoming months. For now, I want to show you what's most obvious. As I said, I wanted to show you a little bit more about what's happening, and behind me you can see some really obvious construction things going on here. So behind me you see groundwork being completed beneath what will be our new orchestra room. Our performing arts are such an important part of our community here in Avon, and we're excited to be able to give students even better experience here at Middle School South with improved facilities and more space here in the upcoming months and years. As we've gotten into this project, we've discovered more and more things that have required some extra work as we've looked at some of the drainage and some other situations, but I'm confident we'll be able to keep this project on schedule and excited to hopefully be able to offer this to students the second semester of this school year. For now, our Middle School South teachers, administrators, staff, and I are looking forward to the first day of school on Wednesday, July 31st. Between now and then, be sure to check out the new school year guide at avon-schools.org for supply lists, important back-to-school dates, and much more. Have a great rest of the summer, and go Orioles!